channel. It's your girl Nia, and I'm back with another DIY. So I know it's been a while, but yeah, I just thought, you know what, let me just be spontaneous and film today. So anyway guys, I have got this jumpsuit with splits at the front, and it's got like a cross front at the front, like, yeah, wrap over front, whatever you want to call it. But what I noticed is that when I wear it, it's showing my bra, and I don't like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just use like one of these what do you call it, thread picker, and I'm going to just take the back out and then re-sew it. I'm just going to probably make the straps smaller. So these are the straps. Make it a bit small, yeah, and then see how it fits. So this is my little DIY. I've done this off camera, so that's how it looks, yeah. So I'm going to show you the next one. I'm going to do this on camera, but I think I might have to get some more thread. I'm going to try and work with this little piece of thread if I can, because I don't like wasting thread. So let me see. Just want to make sure that this is done correctly. Measure it there. Cool. So it's about here, yeah? There we go. So I've just, let me see if I can make it more wider. Can I make it? No. I thought I could. That's weird, isn't it? So I'm literally just going through the material. Okay. Like that. Okay, cool. There we go. And there. you know what, I like the way I did the other one better, but you know what, I'm just gonna just there. Okay. So that's done. Let's do it twice. Oh, it's so hot, man. It's a hot day today. Really hot. I was enjoying it until the night time. I said, no, no, no. It's too hot for me to sleep. I had to go and shower to cool myself down, and that still didn't work. Okay, so that's done. Okay guys, look, so this is done as well. Both of them are done. That's how it looks. Right, I'm gonna try it on and come back. This is what it looks like. To subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Follow me on Instagram, and you know, comment. Come on guys. I've been hot. I've been really hot. I don't know if it's just me, but listen, when I mean I've been hot in the house, I've been so hot in this house, it's not a joke. I'm
burning up for dear life, and I can't sleep at night time.
Ass bitch, tap in. Tap in.